G'day cocktail lovers, it's the countdown to New Year's Eve to New Year's Day. On the east coast of Australia, we are one of the first populated places in the world to cross the threshold into the new year. New Zealand does it sooner than us, but there's not many that do it sooner than us. So I am doing a live stream on my original AngryAussie channel doing this, and I want to share with you. I don't like champagne or sparkling wine, so I've got some sparkling cider. I'm going to pop the cork at midnight, but beyond that, the grand Australian tradition, I got talked into it, I'm doing a shoey. Now, this has become more widely known because the Australian Formula One driver, Daniel Ricciardo, has shared it with the world. I think it started at music festivals and rock concerts, where some grungeos on stage would actually take off the shoe they were wearing and pour a beer into it or something and drink it, which, let's be fair, that's pretty disturbing. Okay, this boot probably looks a bit dirty. I haven't worn it for a while. I did go to some trouble to clean the inside. I didn't go to so much trouble to clean the outside of it. But because it's become somewhat of an Australian tradition to do a shoey, and I got talked into doing it. So you can see the countdown running down. I'll take the little cage off this. I'm also very bad at like popping corks because I don't do it very often. See how close to midnight I can, and I'm also paranoid. The bars behind me, I am very paranoid it'll ricochet at a bad angle and hit my glass. Okay, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I almost got it perfect. Happy New Year. Ooh, that did not go very far at all, but there was a decent pop. Okay, shoey time. I talked into this. Damn. I can hear fireworks going off outside. Ugh, against my better judgment, shoey. I don't know if my microphone's picking up the fire. This was ill-advised, honestly, but Happy New Year. I'm going with this was poorly advised. It's not a bad cider though. Oh my god. Happy New Year, one and all. I don't recommend doing a shoey. It's very weird. But I hope to see you through the new year. Until next time, cheers.